Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to replace the bar on your Stihl MS180 chainsaw with the toolless adjuster. Now this is a question I've received often online recently, and the reason why people ask this is because when you have the Stihl MS180 with the toolless adjuster, you're going to have this part here on the bar that you need to remove and reinstall on the new bar. And as you're going to see in the video, it's quite easy to do. Now if you do own a Stihl chainsaw with the toolless adjuster like this, it's going to be the same procedure for them all. So first of all, just pop this up, unscrew it, remove the cover, and now if you turn this dial here forward, it's going to loosen the chain, making it easier to remove the chain and the bar. Now once you've removed the chain from the bar, you need to remove this part here, and this is the part that a lot of people aren't sure about. All you have to do to remove this is just turn it over. You're going to see a slotted screw in the back here. Just take it off completely. Now this part's going to come right off. Now if you see a bit of dirt on the part here when you remove it, just air blow it with your compressor or just use a wire brush and scrape it off. Now since this bar is still good, I just cleaned it up and I am going to reinstall it the way it is. And just another quick tip guys, as the bar gets worn out on your saw, you want to flip it from time to time. Meaning that if the bar is installed like this on your saw for a while, what you want to do is flip it over, reinstall it like this upside down. The reason for that is so that you wear the rails evenly on both sides. That way you will get more life out of your bar. So basically this would be the same procedure if you did that. And now to reinstall it, you just want to line up these two notches here to the two holes on the bar. Just line them up and insert it in there. Now only one of the holes here has threads in them. And you want to put the screw in that hole. And you want to make sure it's quite tight. And now the bar is ready to be installed. Now I'm going to wrap the chain around the bar. Now when your sprocket is facing on the outer part of the clutch, it's much easier to install the bar and chain together like this. If your sprocket is on the inside part of the clutch, you will have to insert the chain first, then the bar. Now what you want to do is line up this hole to the stud here. Now when you go to install the bar like I just did, if you find the chain is too tight, you can turn this dial forward. It will give you extra slack here. And I'm just going to turn the dial backwards to tighten up the chain. Now reinstall the cover. And now just leave it on there loose. The reason you don't want to tighten it up yet is so that you will still be able to adjust the chain. Now what you want to do is grab the bar, hold it up like this, and while you're holding the bar, just turn this knob here forward to tighten up the chain. You can see the plus sign, that means the chain will get tighter if you move this way. And once you think you have enough tension on the chain, just tighten up the latch. Now check your tension, and this is pretty good. The chain springs right back up on the bar. And that's all there is guys to replacing the bar on your Stihl MS180 chainsaw with the toolless adjuster. And remember that the same procedure will apply to many other Stihl chainsaws with the toolless chain adjuster. And again, like I mentioned in the video, do not forget to flip the bar once in a while on your chainsaw just for maintenance. This will extend the life of your bar by wearing both sides evenly. So thanks again for watching guys. Make sure to subscribe. Also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and have yourselves a great day.